The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Thomas J. Henry and Texas Yes. Each year, Texas Yes selects lots of Title I elementary schools across Texas and supplies every single one of them, K through 5, those students, with a free school supply kit. Thomas J. Henry has been involved with this initiative for a long time now, so he's joining us virtually today to talk about the Texas Yes Box of Dreams program and how it helps students start their school year on the right foot. It's amazing that you've done this work, Thomas. Can you talk to us about how long you've been supporting Texas Yes?
Yeah, about 9 years ago, I came across Texas Yes, and we developed a partnership to provide these school supplies to children. And it's grown, it's taken momentum. And so this is our 9th year of doing it throughout Texas. So it's been a great partnership with Texas Yes.
Absolutely. So important for our kids to feel like they're starting school confidently. And it's schools all across Texas, including a good number here in Austin. Want to ask why it's important for you and your firm to be involved with initiatives like this?
Well, education is the basis for, what we all tend to grow into in terms of jobs and opportunities and vocations. And so at a very early age, having those tools to reinforce education, to at least have an opportunity to have the school supplies available to you is a real good start and foundation for our children to begin the learning process.
What difference do these school supplies make, not only for the students themselves, but for the families who get to receive them?
At this time of the year, a lot of parents are buying school supplies. They're buying clothing. The budgets that are there for families sometimes don't allow for everything to be covered. So school supplies is just something that can help families, of course, and help the child. So if you're wanting to help a school, I think it's a really good nonprofit organization to support. And I think that they do a good job of making sure that the donations and the resources get to the source that needs it. So for the viewing audience, I would say that would be a great resource if they ever wanted to jump in and help 1 or 2 or 3 kids or 10 or 100 or whatever they could do.
So donating money is going to help them a lot. And of course, what you have done, Thomas, is a really, really big deal. And it's wonderful that you've continued to help out. Thank you for helping support our kids here in Texas.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You can donate too. Learn more right now at texasyesproject.org and learn more about Thomas J. Henry at tjhlaw.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Thomas J. Henry and Texas Yes.